it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel after a really a long time. I wasn't really posting any new videos, mainly because I was really busy with online classes, online exams, and I was also trying to be really consistent on my Instagram. I have been posting styling videos and self-portraits regularly out there. So in case if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, make sure to follow me out there because you won't be disappointed, trust me. And now for the random plugin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how NIFT has been conducting its classes, jury and everything else online, and I'm also going to share with all of you my favorite assignments from this semester. I just got done with my 4th semester and now I'm officially in 3rd year, and personally I am really proud of some of the assignments that I did for jury this semester, so I thought let's go ahead and share it with all of you. And for the longest time a lot of you have been asking me to share my assignments with all of you, so I thought that this can be the best occasion to do so. So anyways, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Ever since lockdown started, NIFT has been conducting its classes online, mainly on Zoom. Our next semester starts soon as well, online. Keeping aside connectivity, network, internet issues, I feel that it's been great so far, and this is going to be the new way of life and we have got to adapt to this new system. The jury went smooth as well. We were mostly given a set of assignments and we were supposed to work on them and submit it accordingly on the particular dates given to us and to the particular faculty. So it went pretty well. I could work with a lot of peace because I am at my home, and I'm really proud of some of the assignments that I made. I'm going to share with all of you some of my favorite assignments, maybe the ones that were individual projects because we had a few group projects as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So moving on, the first assignment that I have to share with all of you is from my IDM. For those of you who do not know what IDM is, it is actually interdisciplinary minor. In NIFT, when you move on to your 2nd year, you're supposed to take a minor subject from any other department apart from your department, and you're going to have that subject until the time you graduate. And every semester you have a new thing to learn under that subject. I don't know if I'm making sense, but anyways, I am from the fashion communication department, but my IDM is called fashion representation, which is from the fashion design department. It mainly has subjects which talk about how one can represent fashion. This semester we had a subject called stylized illustrations. In the jury assignment, we were supposed to come up with a style of illustrations developed by ourselves, inspired from anything, and the concept could be again anything. My major source of inspiration was the present situation, COVID-19, lockdown and everything else. You will understand it better when you have a look at the assignment, so let's go. Second assignment, which is actually a main subject from my department itself. The subject is called design research and it is mainly a research based subject, and for the jury assignment we were supposed to take up any craft, develop an objective of research on our own, and ultimately come up with design solutions on how you can promote the craft more. The craft that I took up was Murshidabad silk, and my primary objective for the project was to understand the legacy of Murshidabad silk and its relevancy in contemporary fashion styling. I came up with a few design solutions on how we can make a beautiful craft like that more relevant in contemporary fashion? Let's have a look at the assignment. On to the next assignment, which is actually one of my most favorite assignments. It was actually an integrated project combining two of my main subjects. One of them was fashion, culture and costume, and the other one was publication design. You're supposed to take any topic from fashion history, research on that, write 2 to 3 articles on the same, and develop a magazine on our own. So for fashion, culture and costume, we did the research and wrote the articles, and with regards to publication design, we focused on the layouting of the magazine and all of that. Have a look at the assignment and I hope you guys like it too. All about my 2 assignments for this semester. I hope you like them all. In case you want to have a better look at these assignments, you can check out my Rehan's profile. I leave the link in the description box below. I also have a lot of other assignments in my Rehan's profile, so you can check them out as well. But anyways, I really hope that this video helped. You enjoyed watching this video. And in case if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below your views about my assignments and this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye! Wow, it's... Welcome back to my channel after this I'm actually really motivated now. I hope this video is making sense and doing justice to the entire topic.